Morning from Amed. All the team is together again. So we're ready to smack. So we're gonna clean this and all out. Today we have our first 2 customers coming into this one. So it's still not painted and that stuff, but I think they will understand. Anyways, that's the same guys did diving with us yesterday. So today we just continue. So they're gonna do another Discover Scuba dive, just a different place. I think the guys are actually happy to be back finally to work. I don't know what they've been doing all these months, long months. It's like almost a year since they were working, and they're full of energy. Starts to look better. So that's how it looks now after 1 hour of work. The Vayan is cutting. So this place will be our office. At the moment it looks like really like an office, but I'll be sure we will make it look really nice and comfortable. I'm so happy to be here. It's like I have a vision about how it will look like. We will have a fireplace, so in the evening we can just sit around there and then, I don't know, do some barbecue, and maybe we will ask someone to come with a guitar and play some songs. That's the whole idea about this place. That was our first customers of the dive center. So we did a test drive, as we found actually the rinsing, what is that, the baths a little bit too deep, so we have to a little bit change that. That was good we tried it now before the many people coming in, and so that's what we will do. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow again. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.